Namaste everyone, this is Shruti. I am learning Carnatic vocal music from Vidushi Srimati Shakuntala Moreyachi. I am going to sing Sogasu Juda Tarama Kruti, composition by Saint Tyagaraja Swami.
Sogasu Juda Tarama, Sogasu Juda Taramani, Sogasu Juda Taramani, Sogasu Juda Tarama, Niga Niga Manuchu